I am making a 2-ingredient cake, 1 package of cake mix. I need 1 can or 12 ounces, which is 1.5 cups. Now, I'm going to stir this all together. We have our pan. Now we're gonna put this in the pan. We're gonna bake it. Wow, that looks really good. You can frost this. You can do powdered sugar. I want to try spreading some jam with whipped cream on top. I don't know. What should I try, guys? I'm gonna let it cool while I'm thinking about it, and then I'll let you know. Okay, it's gardening season, so just ignore that. We're closed. That is delicious. It's kind of like in between an angel food cake and a pound cake. And it tastes like a sugar cookie or a butter cookie. It tastes like a butter cookie. Oh my goodness, that is really good. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna try it with a little bit of jam and whipped topping. Okay, so see if we can get something similar. Don't see. Something similar to, what am I trying to say? Strawberry shortcake. Okay. So here we go. Now, what I would do is if I'm putting this on the entire cake, I would make my strawberry jam. I'm going for a strawberry shortcake taste. Now you can put strawberries like with sugar and all that. You could do that if you wanted. That is absolutely darn tootin' good. Holy cow. Delicious. This one's a winner, guys.